warning for north central Box Elder County in northern Utah until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Juniper, or 19 miles west of Snowville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. An additional severe thunderstorm is located northeast of Park Valley, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Snowville, Park Valley, and Curlew Junction. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Snowville, Park Valley, and Curlew until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Box Elder, Utah. A severe thunder protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Box Elder, Utah.